We believe that everyone has the right to make great products, and every great product starts with a vision, a desire to improve what's been done before, a great idea. Whatever industry you work in, only by exploring every possibility will you create a truly exceptional design. Share your work safely and securely with your engineers, purchasing, manufacturing, suppliers, and sales teams, and empower them to share their ideas, edits, and insight wherever they are in the world. Explore every aspect of your design in real time. Test crucial aspects of your design for performance, durability, and manufacturability. Make it stronger, more efficient, more flexible, so you know it'll work flawlessly before it's even been built. Optimize it for ultimate customer satisfaction and visualize it with breathtaking renderings. Optimize the machining and fabrication. Streamline the factory floor for manufacturing and create world-class automation equipment. Bring your product to life. Bring your product to market and deliver it to the world. Game on!